radio and television production, script writing, and set designing. She is computer literate, hardworking, task-oriented, highly motivated, creative, dependable, and committed. She attended various seminars and workshops which improved her craft. She worked as the Assistant Location Manager of Program Immortal, ABS-CBN in Channel 2, from February 2010 to July 2010. She had her practicum at National Broadcasting Network, Channel 4, from June to July 2008, and at DCXL RMN Manila from August 2 to October 8. Currently, she is working at Aerosol Manufacturing Technologies Incorporation as Junior Sales and Marketing. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest speaker for today, Ms. Marnelle Maghira Exponde, my previous pupil. Let's give her a round of applause.
I love you!
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Angelita Lopez, sa isang na-overwhelm naman po ako sa introduction po yan. Salamat po. Una po sa lahat, nais kong bumati ng isang magandang umaga kay Honorable Ed Dizon, Councilor and Chairman ng Committee of Education, sa ating kagalang-galang na punong barangay, kay Honorable Meliton Igamin, kay Dr. Sonia Bakiran, District Supervisor, kay Dr. Delma Flores, Education Program Supervisor for Social Studies, kay Binibining Rain P. Ramos, ang ating pong pinakamamahal na punong guro, sa lahat po ng mga guro ng San Buenaventura Elementary School, sa mga magulang,